So I went to go crank the snowblower today, and when I pulled the string broke. So I dismantled this, screw at the top, screw at the bottom, take it off. Now I'm gonna do a little arithmetic here to figure out how many times I need to wind this and link it in here so I can put it back on and try to start it up. So this wouldn't retract, right? So this wouldn't retract, right? You see how it snaps back? It wouldn't retract, right? So I had to take this sticker off. Behind here are these two little clamps here. You push them in and you push it back out. Inside of there is your coil, the wire, and mine wasn't rusted and it wasn't bad. It had just, it wasn't catching the frame. So all I had to do was take my pliers here and just bend it a little bit so that when I spin it, it would catch on the frame. Now that it's caught on the frame, it retracts like it's supposed to, and then you'll see that this retracts as well, so it goes back. So now it's ready for me to reassemble tomorrow morning and see if I can start the snowblower. It didn't cost me anything but time. I would say it took me a total of, in between working and taking breaks, I think it took me maybe about 2.5 hours to figure out that everything I needed was behind the sticker here. I was trying to pop this out, but this doesn't pop out. Really, this is released. When you squeeze these, this comes off. You can get to everything on the inside. Restring it. Back in business, baby. 2.5 hours, I'm back in business. Before the storm hit. Back in business, baby.